Okay, we are repairing, when I say we, I mean he, the front of this chair that has all these pieces missing. What we're using is this. I got it on Amazon. I think it's about 10 bucks. And he is just following that pattern. And my mommy toolbox on the ground behind us. He's using safety pin. I know they have hooks that you can basically just grab with. Well, I'm not sure what the hooks are called. But yeah, a hook. This does take a bit of time. What did you just say, little boy? But this is a great way of repairing the stitches on a chair that will last probably another 10-20 years. This is a plastic. It's really stretchy. I also use this on my balloon bouquets. They have a clear color and it's, you know, pretty stretchy. So that's great, and you can burn the edges and it sticks, and it's really pretty easy. When he has come about 10 stitches in, he needs to add more. He takes a lot of line and
Somebody's gonna hit on me.
oops, so sorry about that.
Somebody's gonna hit him.
Hooked his arm. Oh, well, that's also good because this will, this is the hook. It's a safety pin that's bent at the top. That is how we make the hook. But he will have a lot of string give, and then he goes through again and makes it tighter and pulling the new string through, so it gives him a lot more string at the end, and then he can do another, you know, 20.
I'm a motor with the big ass titties.